Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zerion for DeFi portfolio visibility and positions, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Zerion for DeFi portfolio visibility and positions, start by navigating to the Zerion website. On the homepage, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to connect your crypto wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you can create one using options like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet. Once you have a wallet, select it from the list of supported wallets. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your wallet securely. After successful connection, the platform will automatically scan your wallet for assets. You will see an overview of your DeFi portfolio, including assets and their current values. To manage your positions, click on the Portfolio tab in the navigation menu. Here, you can view detailed information about each asset, including changes in value. To add more assets, click the Add Asset button or use the search function. You can manually input additional token addresses if necessary. For DeFi protocols, select the specific protocol from the available options. Zerion will display your positions along with relevant metrics and analytics. If you wish to track additional wallets, you can do so by selecting Add Wallet from the Settings menu. Enter the wallet address you want to track and confirm the addition. You can organize your portfolio by creating custom labels for different assets. To customize your view further, adjust the display settings as per your preference. Regularly refresh your dashboard to ensure you have the latest data on your portfolio. Utilize the Analytics section for deeper insights into your investment performance. This will help you make informed decisions about your DeFi activities. By following these steps, you will have successfully enabled Zerion for your DeFi portfolio visibility and positions. Now you can effectively manage and track your decentralized finance investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.